In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no sound issue on YouTube TV so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and live streams without interruptions. Let's get started. No sound can be caused by several factors, but with a few simple troubleshooting steps, you can resolve the problem quickly. First, check your TV or streaming device's volume settings. Use your remote to ensure the volume isn't muted or turned down too low. If you're using external speakers or a soundbar, confirm they're powered on and properly connected to your TV or device. You can also try adjusting the audio output settings on your TV by going to Settings greater than Sound and selecting a different output mode such as HDMI ARC or optical audio. Next, verify the audio settings within the YouTube TV app. While watching a video, click the settings gear icon in the playback controls and look for the audio section. Ensure the correct audio track is selected, especially if you're watching content with multiple language options. Switching to a different audio track or restarting the stream can often restore sound. If the issue persists, restart your streaming device or TV. Unplug the device from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and relaunch the YouTube TV app. You can also clear the app's cache if you're using a smart TV or streaming device like Roku or Fire Stick. Go to the device's settings and find the option to manage installed apps. Finally, test YouTube TV on another device or browser to rule out platform-specific issues. If none of these steps work, check your internet connection, as poor connectivity can sometimes disrupt audio streaming. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope fixing the no sound issue on YouTube TV was quick and easy for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.